Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. John had always wanted a log cabin in his garden, so after seeing our 7 log cabin, he took the plunge. We caught up with John, who told us how his log cabin had extended his home space, workspace and family downtime, all within just 5 metres by 3 metres.
It's just so beautifully made that it was an absolute joy. It's something I've longed to do for a very long time, to build myself my own log cabin, and now I've done it.
We know some people worry when they hear the words DIY, but as John will tell you, building our cabins could not be easier. In fact, he had it done in as little as a weekend.
We had a garage, just a prefab garage on a slab. We had that removed, so we had the slab already. I had to extend it a little bit to fit in the 7, but that was done quite easily. And then I began the building by setting everything out in its each component, and it was fairly simple. I managed to do it myself with some help from my wife. I think it was all done within 2 days. I was amazed at how it all fitted so perfectly together.
See, it's not as hard as you might be imagining. John originally bought the cabin as an office space for his wife, but with the addition of a few home comforts, it turned into a space for the whole family.
My wife is a psychotherapist, counsellor, and she uses it for that, and it's wonderful in the COVID, as a COVID safe place, because it's 5 by 3, it's plenty of room. It heats up very easily and retains its heat from just a simple heater. And of course the windows are double glazed, the doors double glazed. We've got the thicker wood, which I think would help retain the heat as well as keep the heat out when it's really hot. We also use it for a family room. That our grandchildren absolutely love it here in the cabin, and so when they're around, this is where we tend to play. So we are very grateful indeed for this cabin.
And that's it for another episode of Dunster House TV. Join us again next week as we discover how another customer is using their garden building. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss an episode.